RBNE stock analysis and RBNE stock prediction. This is from Robin Energy stock. I'm talking 16th of June and onwards. You know, I'm going to be breaking down my exact play, and it's the only guy in the space with 42,000 videos. I have seen what's making me money and what's not. So I don't think that I have, I don't have previous results here, but from what I see, this is such a decent bullish market. So marking up this top, boom. If there is no sort of double rate, like if there's not such thing as this, then I'm not going to be buying. Very simple. Like, people are overcomplicating this sort of stuff. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, just click the first link in the descriptions, check it out. But also, if you want to stay tuned with RBNE, but all I'm doing in the meantime is just waiting for rules. So goodbye and enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Nothing that I'll add onto this, just stay tuned.